Oh, Bok Bok. Just gonna whip that all over the house. Good going, Jen. Is it good? Come on. Or I clean up Shy's poop all the time anyway, so. And Bok Bok has diarrhea. As, how do you say? Basically, she real dirty. I just assume she's like a poop animal. But, you know, we love him anyway. Which means like no cuddling without proper, without the chicken jacket or chicken shirt. Come, Bok Bok, hope we have a nice party. We're gonna have a party. We're gonna hang out. Yep, so she's here for a sleepover for several reasons. One is she has needed a butt bath. Two is I just thought she might like some a night not out by herself in the cold, just to hang out and be with humans or just other beings. And I also gonna do a little health check, like just see that her crop empties. So this will be it for now, and then no food overnight or the morning. We'll check her out and. Hey, Bok Bok, our special friend. It's the Super Bowl. Oh, Super Bowl. It's a Super Bowl. It's a Super Bowl. All right. If we're gonna do this, remember this? Show us what you were doing just now. Smashing your face into the... Yeah, show. You're smashing your face into the table. What's up, Shy? Are you trying to help? Oh my God. Lord, oh my God. Do not poop on the holy scriptures. All those blankets are for pooping, so make yourself at home. Oh my gosh. Listen to how, like, comfort. That's wet. Those are wet feathers. Don't worry. I gave her a bath. Those are happy sound. You happy? It's been rough, huh, Bok? What's that mean? Have you ever? She's never been on a blanket like this before. Mm-hmm. 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 Nice. Is that like lip smacking, or I hope that's what it is.
watching this all the time.
It's bedtime.
Did you like the electrolyte water? Did you like the Gatorade?
Perfect. The noise? Bok Bok. She really does Bok Bok. It's funny. Here, go home. Here, go home. You look really relaxed.